When I first came to college, there were people who I saw, there were people who I met, and then there were these people who I belonged to, मेरे सीनियर्स. बड़े अजीब से लोग हैं. पहले बुलाते हैं, तारीफ करते हैं, जैसे थोड़ा तारीफ का मजा लेने लगो, एक गाली देते हैं और कहते हैं हवा में मत रहे, नीचे आ जा. फोन करते हैं, पूछते हैं कि फ्री है, मना कर दो तो कहते हैं कि ज्यादा नाटक मत कर, अभी आ जा. अब ये लोग चले जाएंगे. अजीब सा खालीपन होगा इस पूरे कॉलेज में. मेरा तो शायद मन ही ना करे आज कॉलेज आने का. कभी कभी लगता है कि कुछ महीनों बाद हम इनकी जगह होंगे. पता नहीं क्यों इनकी जगह लेने का मन ही नहीं करता.
We thought you were two of the most snobbish people we'd ever seen, but also sort of perfect together. Cartoon, Handa, we love you. Cartoon, you're singularly the most annoying person I will ever meet in my entire life. And also, yes, you molested my face, and yes, it's possible. Handa, molestation, cringe. And you said I wasn't open enough with you, whatever that's supposed to be. Handa, I feel really close to you because of all the weird conversations we've had. And also, how do you manage to get so many girls? Oh, by the way, Kriti had a crush on you before she joined college and stalked you on Facebook. And Cartoon, you're the most adorable person I know, and thank you for being my best friend for the last year and making me laugh. But your jokes, they're worse than bells. And Handa, had a lot of fun acting with you on stage, even though you did actually kill me a couple of times. And skip 2 whole pages.
जिष्णु नहीं है आंधी है, SRCC का गांधी है, जिष्णु नहीं है आंधी है. So Jishnu, I would just like to say that no matter, even if everyone called you a third wheel in your second year, but for me you've always been my first wheel. You are not a third wheel, Jishnu, and I would like to say that whenever I look at you or talk about you, I always jiz in my pants. So finally, I love you, Jishnu, and you've been one of the best seniors to me.
Jishnu, no matter how many times you try to hide your tones, it's still very much visible. And I don't think anybody can get photos which are as amazing as ours are together.
Hi Praniti. You already know that, I don't know about Benyani, but you already know that Abhi and I love you a lot and we're gonna miss you like crazy. Like we've been doing this semester and the last semester. Sorry.
You know, making this video is pointless because you're not actually going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
You're really intelligent, and things that you talk about, the way you perceive things, it's just really easy to talk to you, and it's like you get what someone wants to tell you. And that's not because you're like an understanding person, and I mean you are, but it's just because you're just, you know, like you're just intelligent that way. And that's why it's just really easy, and it's a big comfort to come and talk to you anytime.
And Nilesh is moving out, and since you're studying at FMS from now on, so you can move in with me.
Praniti, you know you're very special in my life. Ever since our school days, and used to sing songs, random songs in the bus forever and ever, and piss everybody else off. And you do know you're one of the main reasons I came to this college. I love you so much, and I'm really happy our relationship has still been as strong as it was before.
छोटा सा गाना है, वाह वाह वामसी जोड़ी क्या बनाई, पृथ्वी की ओर से बधाई हो बधाई. आई लव यू टू सोनू. वामसी सर, आप एग्जाम देना, मस्ती से करना और पास भी हो जाओगे, बट आप पास नहीं होगे. क्यों? इट्स ऑल इन द एटीट्यूड. हैं, आप कॉलेज से पास आउट हो गए मगर आप कॉलेज में रहोगे. क्यों? इट्स ऑल इन द एटीट्यूड. वैसे आपके जाने का दुख बहुत हो रहा है मुझे, लेकिन अभी भी खुश हूँ क्योंकि इट्स ऑल इन द एटीट्यूड.
Backstage? Fuck you!
Bhatia, you're a fun person to hang out with, and we love you so much. We loved our first year.
We've loved working with you. Your fuck you, your obvious,
And,
loved it all.
and
the belly, the beer belly.
Beer belly. So much beer inside it. But what basically the point is that we are going to miss you so much.
Really, we're
Really.
gonna really miss you.
And what we basically want to say is that we love you.
Love you loads, and
Obviously.
The 2 words that describe Kushal Bhaiya the best are passionate and different. He's passionate about whatever he does, be it street play or ISEC. Throughout our street play life, he told us that, you know, street play is going to change your lives, and he stood up for us whenever we needed it.
नमस्कार, आदाब देवांशी मैम। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ काम करके, आपसे मिलकर कोऑप पे। अब सबसे ख़राब बात यह है, ना कोऑप पे वो चेहरा दिखेगा, ना कोऑप पे वो हंसी, ना कोऑप पे वो हग मिलेगी। लेकिन आप जहाँ भी हो सलामत रहें, खुश रहें, ज़िंदगी में अच्छा करें, यही दुआ है। That's all. Thank you.
अनिल भैया का तो आइकॉनिक मोमेंट वो था व्हेन ही सेड कि मैं एक अर्चित सर का कुर्ता पहन के, एंड ही वाज लाइक कि मैं स्ट्रीट पे कर आ रहा हूँ, और 4 दिन तक हमारे साथ कानपुर में उसी कुर्ते में पूरा कानपुर का ट्रिप होया है, और घर से सिर्फ ये बोलकर आए थे कि मम्मा मैं स्ट्रीट पे कर आ रहा हूँ। हाँ।
Tulika has been a great friend and a great motivator. She has always been with me in everything, advised me throughout my journey in Ramsock, and more than that, I think she is one of those people I connected with most at the mental wavelength level. And it was a wonderful experience to know her, and I'll really miss her. Tulika, you've been fabulous. Thank you.
Tulika, when I gave my auditions for Dramatic Society, you were the one I was really comfortable with, because obviously you from RKB and you were so helpful throughout. So you were the one I got attached to in the beginning. In the very beginning I got attached to you, and I'm still as attached to you. I'm very fond of you.
Tulika, okay, so from the moment I saw you doing Jihad in that classroom during auditions till the time you got really drunk and called me and said that you miss me and all that from a party recently, I have loved you for every moment that we spent together, and thanks for being the most supportive / chase senior ever.
And Nakhad, you're a cutie. All of us fell for you the first day we came, and you broke our hearts.
Hi Nakhad sir, I'm not going to talk a lot, but one very fond memory I have of you is from Kanpur, when we were having the Santakshari competition with the Kanpur hostelers, and I remember हम दोनों आगे से चुतियापा कर रहे थे, हर गाने गा रहे थे, देश वाले देश प्रेम गाने गा रहे थे. So that's a very fond memory I have of you. So thanks for the entire experience of working under you. It was a lot of pleasure and a very big learning experience for me, and hope you have a great life ahead.
Nakhad was my director, Prathmika, and it was because of him that I continued in street play, and he was the will and inspiration behind me sticking with street play, because of a lot of other hardships and everything. Nakhad has always been a good driving force and a silent pillar of strength.
Avi, here's your Kavi.
Okay. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया.
Avi, I think you're really sweet, and production was a lot of fun with you around.
Avi, you and M Potato were the first few seniors I knew in college, and you know, thank you for always being there with us, with me initially, and I really love you both, and just thank you for being there with us.
Hi Rashika. We really like you because you're fun and you're always telling us interesting gossip, which we have to catch up on, by the way.
Yeah, and you're the life of the party.
And you're really pretty.
So Sonia and Shilpi were the only 2 people who made our horrible trip to Kanpur a little more bearable. So Shilpi, real Chupa Rustam, we all thought that she was very dainty, very soft spoken, but then she started performing with Khel and we were blown away completely. Sonia, complete pataka, she's in your face, and now she's got like, it's a little late, but she's got like the biggest happiness of her life. So wishing best of luck to both of them.
सुट्टा है बाकी आप बहुत अच्छे हो, जैसा कि आप जानती हो मैं आपसे बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करता हूँ. आप जब चले जाओगे तो आपके पागलपने की, आपकी जो अजीब सी बातें हैं उनकी बहुत याद आएगी. पागलपने और जंगलीपने में तो आप हमारी गुरु माँ ही हो, लेकिन जो इरफान से मस्ती है, जो मजाक है, वो भी बहुत अजीब सा कम सा लगेगा जब आप चले जाओगे.
Hi Satya. Yeah, speaking for both Avi and I, we both think you're just too cool for us, and that's the only reason we aren't friends with you.
And your singing really intimidates all of us.
Yeah. And this one time you and Praniti promised that you guys would sing Adele for a stage dinner, and you've never done that, so we're still holding you on to that.
Praniti subbed to us.
Yeah, but you haven't, so we're still waiting.
Arnav, okay, so you've been a very unique singer for me because I learned a lot from you. I picked up like your humility and the way you just work really selflessly, and you have a lot of fun, and you're always laughing regardless of how your day was or how anyone else's day was. So I think apart from acting, I've learned everything from you. I picked up a lot from you, and You were always that senior who never bossed us around, who never made us feel like he was a senior, and I never felt scared around you. I always spoke my mind and, you know, troubled you a lot and shit. So thank you for not bossing us around. That's very sweet.
Okay, Navika. Navika is one of the sweetest persons I've ever met in SRCC.
And you know, she's always so helpful. If you want, you can discuss all your problems with me. You know, studies problem, academics, societies, anything that you want. And sex problems also. We are going to miss you so much. You know, we've had so much experience, like so many memories with you that we shared in the past 1 year. And
we wish that you become Miss India someday, and that we proudly post about it, saying that, you know, you've worked with this lady, Miss India.
हमारी खेल टीम के, प्राथमिक टीम के और दौड़ टीम के सारे मेंबर्स में से सबसे इनोवेटिव और अल्ट्रा कूल आदमी मैनी सर है। अरे सर, जो आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाए यार बॉडी में, कमाल है यार, कमाल है। वो साथ साथ भाई ढपली तो कभी आपसे बची नहीं है। एक चीज़ जो आपसे हमेशा पिटी है, आपसे हमेशा बची है, चाहे जैसी बची हो, लेकिन बची ज़रूर है, वो हमारी ढपली है। थैंक यू फॉर दैट सर।
Hi Nupur. First of all, it's very difficult to say goodbyes right now because जो 2 साल we had with you, I had the best time of my life. The best thing I like about you is your professionalism for your work, and I actually appreciate it a lot. And you are one of the brilliant actors I've ever seen in my life. So all the best, and I hope to be in touch with you.
Hi Garima. We got to know you in the travelers trips. Yeah. You are always there, one of those people who always likes to chill and have a good time.
It's a great. You know, whenever we party with you, it's a different thing altogether.
Whether it's your Honey Singh moves and everything.
Yeah, your Honey Singh moves. And,
Chandigarh stud, absolutely.
I hope you're dressed up as Kajol as we decided yesterday. So
all the best for everything in the future. Would love to be in touch with you. Lots of love.
We will be in touch.
Absolutely. Bye bye.
Bye.
ओ यार कीरत सर, फेयरवेल की पहली वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। मिड सेम ब्रेक के बाद है वो भी, आप समझ ही गए होंगे मेरा जोक तो। और सर, आप जहाँ भी जाओ, मेरी ये प्रार्थना है कि आप जहाँ भी जाओ वैसी मेस मत मचाना जो आपने होली के टाइम में मेरे फ्लैट में मचाई थी, ठीक है? और जिंदगी में जो भी करो पूरी लगन से करना, और पॉर्न थोड़ी कम देखना सर, बस।
Shan, you've done a lot for all of us. I think for me, the way you helped me in the beginning in first year when I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and I had a lot of doubts and I was very close to leaving. You helped me and you helped me stick around, and I'm so happy about that. And that dance plot would not have been the same without you. It wouldn't have been as good without you, and I think that's just what it is. You're brilliant, and everything that you become a part of becomes really brilliant because of you, and I think you can't help that. So just all the best and keep that up, and lots of love, hugs.
Randy Hoo, Randy, Randy, Randy Hoo, Randy, Randy. Hi Medha.
Medha is one of the biggest reasons why
She's a wannabe Medha.
I'm in this society. Oh, he's a wannabe Medha, much more than me. But that apart, Medha, you're one of the biggest reasons why I stayed in the society at a time when I really needed a reason to be here. You gave me that reason, and I am so thankful for that, because I think if you hadn't stopped me, maybe I might have lost something that I would only have realized later what it meant to me.
But she seems really like sweet and innocent, but trust me, she's not. Oh, we were in Bombay with her, and we were all sitting in this cricket field, and she got stoned out of her fucking mind.
And then puked right after it, and almost started crying also.
Yeah. And never go to a party with her. She gets drunk, and then she passes out in the first 15 minutes, and she won't remember shit about what happened.
शाश्वत के बारे में क्या बोलूँ? उसके साथ जितना मज़ा आता है पार्टी करने में, गाने में, नाचने में, इट्स अनपैरेलल्ड। कोई और ऐसा है ही नहीं इतना बड़ा बकचोद जिसके साथ इतने मज़े करूँ मैं। शाश्वत के साथ आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन कैंडिड, फ्री, एंड हर जगह हमने मस्ती की है। सब लुढ़क जाते थे हम दोनों खड़े होकर जब लुढ़कियों का मजाक उड़ाते थे। एंड ऑल्सो हिज वर्क एथिक अगेन, शाश्वत इज अगेन अ वेरी फियर्स वर्कर एंड टास्क मास्टर इन इटसेल्फ। उसका अलग स्टाइल है अपना काम करने का, काम लेकिन वो करवा लेता है, बट मस्ती में तो शाश्वत के आसपास कोई नहीं है। लव यू ब्रो।
Hi Shashwat, you and I have become really close in the past few months. mainly due to our musical connection. I think Amit Trivedi should thank us for being his biggest fans. और हम दोनों एक ना एक Unplugged का episode तो attend करके ही रहेंगे. I love you so much and you're adorable.
शाश्वत तेरे लिए एक छोटा सा मैसेज है क्योंकि तू जानता है मैं लव फॉर यू, बट एक छोटा मैसेज रात में I'll see you and we'll do the कौन सा गाना था हमारा, तुझे बुला दिया. अच्छा.
हेलो इमरान सर, वैसे आपने बातें बहुत कम ही की हैं. अक्सर कभी कभार इधर उधर शायद कहीं कोई दूसरा रंग दिख गया हो, बट आपके लिए बातें कम है. मेरे पास एक प्रार्थना ज़रूर है कि आप जहाँ भी जाओ जैसे भी रहो, बस ज़िंदगी में ऐसी टफनेस बरकरार रखो और जो भी करो अच्छे से करो, पूरे दिल से करो.
Ayushi is sexy, Ayushi is sexy, Ayushi is sexy. Hey Ayushi,
What's up?
we're really gonna miss you, Ayushi. It's true.
Okay, Asta, we're doing this.
This is for you. This is what I did in
for you.
first year in my auditions,
I
and
don't know what this is, but anyway,
Absolutely.
this is for you, and this we mean it, and we're doing it.
absolutely.
Okay, I'm Asta.
This is Asta. Actually, you should be here, but काम चला रहा हूँ मैं. किसी को सपना लगे तू, किसी को बहती हवा, किसी की बस यादों में करे पल में यहाँ वहाँ. Ti amo, mi ti amo, तू साथ है, तू दूर है.
Asta, I remember you from the initial bits of when we started rehearsing for Studio Ruins, and that was really fun. We wish it had lasted for longer. But yeah, we're definitely gonna miss seeing you around in college.
हाँ.
कंज के बारे में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि कंज बहुत अच्छी पोएट्री भी लिखता है. हालांकि मैंने खुद ये नहीं पढ़ी है, लेकिन तारीफ बहुत करते हैं इसकी हमारे सीनियर्स. कंज तो बहुत कम बोलता है, लेकिन जब बोलता है तो बड़ी अकल वाली बात बोलता है. और तेरी नौकरी की ट्रीट अभी तक बाकी है.
मौका 14 मालू सर, अब आपका जाने का दरकार आ गया है. बाय बाय टाइम है आपका. अच्छा ओहा, मुझे यहाँ केवल शायद पहली बार मालू सर की वजह से ही हुआ था. क्या एनर्जी थी. मालू सर शब्द का डूड, दैट वाज फकिंग ऑसम डूड. सर आप जहाँ भी जाओ जैसे भी रहो बढ़िया कूल इफेक्ट से रहो, बट जो कूल इफेक्ट मारने के लिए आप चीज़ें पोर्ट्रे करते हो ना, वो चीज़ सही नहीं है. मैं सबको बताना चाहूँगा, उन्होंने कभी खुशी कभी कम 5 बार देख रखी है. उसमें से उनको सीन टू सीन, वर्ड टू वर्ड, लाइन टू लाइन हर चीज़ याद है. अब ऐसे चाहे आपकी बेइज्जती हो या इज्जत हो, मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं, लेकिन मैं दोनों लोगों को सच्चाई बताना चाहूँगा. अच्छा.
Yeah, Sana. So it's kind of sad that we had you in our stage for like a really short while, but that was fun, and I'm really glad that you joined us. Don't laugh. Yeah, and I'm going to really miss you, like just hanging out in college, and you're really pretty.
I love getting drunk with you and whatever, enjoying a party with you, and eventually we got really close, and I'm very glad that we did, and you've been a really fun person to have around.
And also all the best for the Soul to Soul Academy. I hope it becomes the next big thing.
तेरा brand manager बन रहा हूँ मैं next year.
बकवास, fire him, take me.
But yeah.
All right, thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Shauri and Lakshita, according to me, are the it couple of our college. I wish someday I can get friendship which is as true as theirs is. Lakshita, you are the cutest little thing I know. I don't think it's possible to be unhappy around you. And Shauri, even though your lines were the cheesiest, you've actually stolen my heart away. And you play a really, really special part in my life now.
Shauri has been one of the most enterprising people I've ever met. The amount of tasks he can handle at one go is phenomenal. His work ethic and hard work and sincerity towards anything. He picks up something, gets it done. That's what I've learned from him, and that's what sort of drives me. And I would like to thank him for giving me Histronica and making it successful with me. So I have to say this to you: जहाँ बना तुसी great हो, तोहफा कबूल करो. Hi Goku. Hi Uncle.
Hi.
Hi.
So
you're too cool for us, huh?
Too cool to dance at parties.
Too cool to reply to text messages.
too cool to like not take off that checked scarf ever.
Too cool to let me drive your car.
But cool enough to drop me home many, many times. I'm gonna miss that.
Akhil Thakur, you pretty face. Thank you so much for introducing me to the best shows and the most amusing music. I know we are very awkward around each other, but I know you love me the most.
We love you and we miss you.
Too cool for mainstream music.
Oh guys, have you totally heard? Listen to the Oak Trees and from their third album back in 2012.
Yeah. But you're pretty cool. Like we love your articles, the really long ones that you write.
Yeah, really nice hair, man.
And skin, man. Why are you always glowing? Like what's up with that?
It's the like Buddha. He's Buddha.
and the scarf, the checkered Shah Rukh Khan scarf.
That's just douchey.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So other than that, I think we're done. Bye.
अरे मेरे केरू सर, मेरे लखते जगर, मेरी जाने मन, आपके साथ इतनी चौपाली की वो जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलूंगा। लेकिन एक दुआ जरूर करता हूँ, जिंदगी में कहीं भी रहो आप, जहाँ भी जाओ, जो भी नौकरी करो, भगवान आपकी जिंदगी में कभी साबुन और नहाने के पानी की कमी ना करे। जिस दिन वो कमी हो जाएगी ना, उस दिन चौपालें सारी बंद हो जाएंगी। लेकिन जितनी चौपालें हैं सब दिल से याद रखूंगा। थैंक यू सर।
To the sound of silence, the cars were cutting like knives in a fist fight. And I found you with a bottle of wine, your head in the curtains, and heart like the 4th of July. You swore and said we are not shining stars. This I know, I never said we are. Though I've never been through hell like that, I've closed enough windows to know you can never look back. If you're lost and alone, or you're sinking like a stone, carry on. May your past be the sound of your feet upon the ground, and carry on. Carry on, carry on. So I met up with some friends at the edge of the night, at a bar off 75. And we talked about how our parents will die, all our neighbors and wives. But I'd like to think I can cheat it all to make up for